Hi guys, I got this Workzone 3-shelf tall utilities cabinet at Aldi's. Today I'm showing how I assemble it together. Here we have the assembly instructions, and this is all of the parts included in the box. I went ahead and organized all of the parts. And the fun begins. The screws I am putting under the front feet here are used to level the cabinets on uneven surfaces. One of these two parts were not meant to be here, but I was determined to make it fit anyway. And here I am hammering it down with my hammer. I later found out one of the two parts were meant to be at the top of the cabinet. During this process, I highly recommend trying to align the cardboard with the groove in the backing. You'll see me later on trying to fix this issue. I've included an arrow for reference. Some of the tools that is also needed for this project will be a screwdriver. I also used a drill to make holes for the handles. So installing these doors had to be one of the hardest parts of this process. I was really struggling to get these doors on these hinges. Here I am trying to align the cardboard with the backing. This is where I'm going to use the drill to make the holes for the handles. And there you have it. This is the final results. Here's a look inside.